So guys, in today's video I'm going to be taking you on a little journey on how to use your washing machine. All right guys, thank you very much for joining our channel. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to use voiceover on this video because of the noise during recording. It was too much. Now the first thing you have to do before you buy any washing machine is check if your systems in your house they are compatible to the running of the washing machine. We mean things like voltage, frequency, and of course power. Now looking at this washing machine, you're going to see the voltage is 220 to 240 volts, meaning that it's suitable for Africa but not suitable especially for the US. So if you are in the US, make sure you get a 110 volt. Also, the next thing is the frequency 50 hertz, and of course the weight. For this kind of washing machine, they have a lot of weight because of their mechanism, and they can actually wash a lot of clothes at the same time. This particular washing machine is the Oscar 8 kilograms washing machine. That is the maximum load it is supposed to carry is 8 kilograms. So make sure you know the amount you are putting inside. The next thing we are going to go is the knob in the middle. The knob in the middle helps you to adjust the settings of the washer to what is washing. If you can see there, you can see cotton. If it's the cotton dresses, synthetic, if you want to just sterilize, or there are jeans or mix or whatever you want to do, you set it accordingly. Make sure you know the material you are washing before you actually wash. This is one of the problems that people do. The other settings, there is the delay, temperature, and spin. The delay and the temperature is if you want it to dry. The spin is the speed at which you want it to turn, that is rotations per minute, and that is the on button and the start pause. Also by the side there, you can see other buttons that are important: pre-wash, extra rinse, and the other one there. So those are buttons that you have to also use. Don't forget to always read the manual. In the compartment by your top left, that is where you put your detergent. You can put your soap on the first one, that is like your Omo, your powder detergent, small, depending on the number of cloth you have or the weight. And also you can also put like your bleach on the other side, and if there's any other thing you want to put, you put there also. The next place we are going to show you guys is the behind of the machine. It is important. In this case, we want you to see where you have to put water and where water needs to go out, so you know how to connect it yourself. We are doing this video so that you'll be able to install your machine whenever it comes. This pipe that we are holding here is the pipe that takes water out of the machine, water that from wash dresses already, so you can put it out to an outlet so it flows out. It's very easy. Now this particular washing machine is good. This other hole here is for connecting the pipe that brings water into the washing machine. This one, you connect it into the tap and it brings water into the washing machine. That water is used for washing. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm begging you, if you have watched this video to this particular end this time and you are enjoying the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, as the next episode we are going to use this particular washing machine directly. Now in opening the washing machine, you can look by the sides of the washing machine. There's something there that you can put your hand on. All you just need to do is hold it and pull it towards yourself, and the washing machine is going to open. Now this will happen only if the washing machine is off like this. You can easily open, or when you've put your clothes inside and maybe you feel like the dresses are okay, but the timer is not yet done, you can switch off the washing machine and on it, then it's going to come on. Then you can open it like that. It's going to open. So the washing machine works like the first types of, when you are washing your dresses, you wash your dresses like that way, or the Indians, they heat their dresses to the stone. The washing machine works by spinning your dresses around by using high speed and making sure that water comes out. So make sure that your dresses are not so stained or not so dirty for a long time, or not dresses that are dirty, and you've allowed them for in a long time and they have accumulated stains, the washing machine is not for you, because you still have to use your hand. So if you want to use the washing machine, please make sure that you don't dirty your dress so much. Like this particular white handkerchief I'm holding, you don't dirty it so much, and you can easily wash. Washing machine is to wash things quickly and faster rather than keeping them for a long time. So that is how the washing machine works. The washing machine is not for dirty people or people who are too dirty. All right, now look at those compartments inside there. You're going to see holes. The holes by the side are where water comes in and goes out, so it depending on the time. And now, like you see the spinning wheel, how it spins to make sure that the dresses rotate all around, and water and everything to make sure that the dresses are clean. Now in the next video, we are going to demonstrate live how we are using this particular washing machine to wash clothes for real. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification icon so that you can follow us in the next video. Now this glass will help you also to see what is happening inside. You don't always need to open the glass to see what is happening inside. No, you can see how the dresses, the progress of the dresses from the glass as it is spinning inside. Then you can stop it whenever you want to stop it. So guys, I've taken you on this journey on how to use this amazing machine. Don't forget to join us on the next journey. Now that screen displays all those information there, whether you've put it on delay, increase the temperature, on spin, pre-wash, or extra rinse, or speed wash. Anyone you've chosen, it's going to indicate there. Then you regulate it. Please don't forget to read the manual. It is important, as the manual helps you. Now this particular machine is 1400 rotations per minute. The higher the rotations per minute, the higher the things it can do, meaning that if it has a higher rotation per minute, it can actually help to dry your clothes faster than the washing machine with lower rotations per minute. And the higher also the kilogram that it can carry, the higher the rotations per minute. These are the things that you have to watch out for before buying or purchasing any washing machine. I hope this video actually blessed you and is going to help you to install your washing machine. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. See you in our next video on how we are using this particular washing machine. God bless you.